Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another elegant natural hairstyle. If this is your first time seeing my pretty face, do want to click on the subscribe button so that you get to see more of my videos. To my returning subscribers, I love you all. Let's get straight to our style for the day. First of all, I'll moisturize my hair with the hair oil from Nature Gentle Touch. As you can see, it has the consistency of a pink oil. So I'll just apply it all over my hair. Then I'll section my hair into two, the front and the back. Then I'll now come over to the front section. I'll divide the front section into three, with the bigger one in the middle. So after each section, I'll just twist it down because I don't want the hair to shrink. Reason I didn't spray water before moisturizing because I do not want the hair to shrink. So I'll just go ahead and twist it the same way I twisted the other side. Then I'll put the center in place. I'll just use a rubber band, elastic band, put it in place. Then I'll go in with my edge control just to make sure the front hair is neat. I love my front hair to be very neat at all times. Then I'll go ahead and section the side part into two. So if you're doing this hairstyle, it's okay if you divide it into three or four, however you want it, but for me, I just wanted to do two. So here I'm just finger detangling the hair so that the weaving will be easy for me. I don't want the hair to tangle while weaving. So I'll just do the weaving, the cornrow. Then when I'm done weaving, I'll now twist the rest. You can go ahead and braid yours, but twisting is faster for me, so I decided to twist it. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the remaining hair. So I'll just do the second cornrow. Then I'll twist the tips too, like I did the other. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And we have 4 cornrows in total. So I'm going to pack them. Please disregard the lower section of the hair. I was only trying out a style which did not work out, so I took that off. And now I'm going to section it horizontally. Notice that the one that I just took off, I sectioned it vertically and I didn't like what I got, so now I'm doing it horizontally. So just notice what I'm doing here, just twisting around my finger, then I'll push it under and I'll go in with a bobby pin to pin it. So while working with virgin hair, please use as much bobby pins as you want. So I'm going to repeat the same thing here. So I'm going to pin that too. So feel free to use as much pins as you want if you feel it is not secure enough. So now the braids are on top of the lower section. So however you style your lower section, the braids should be on top of it. Now we are going to go ahead and hide that. So I'm going to take a little section from the front, then I'll do the rolling too. I'll twist it, then I'll roll and tuck and pin it under the braid, the twists. I keep saying braids, the twists. And so it has covered that section now. That is what I got. So now I'm coming over to the front. So I'll just stretch the hair a little bit, then I'll now twist just the tip. I didn't do a full twist. As you can see, I'm doing a loose twist, but just around the tip of the hair. So I'm going to make 4 twists in total, just 4. So you can, depending on the length of your hair, you can do 2, you can do 3, you can do more, like 6 or more. It depends on what you want and the length of your hair. So now I've twisted the 4 sections. Look at what I'm going to do here. I'm going to cross the last 2. It is as easy as that. Just cross it over. And pin. So I'm going to pin that under the previous one I did. The one I used in covering the twist. So I'm going to pin this one under that particular section. Then I'll come over to the front and I'll do the same thing. I'll cross them over each other. Notice that my hair was not long enough for me to take under the other section, so I'll just pin it on the side, then I'll push the rest of the hair in. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And that is it. So this hairstyle is very easy. It will take you less than 10 minutes to get this as a learner or as a beginner. It is very beautiful. You can wear it to anywhere. And this is the final look. So tell me what you think about the hairstyle in the comment section. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are yet to do so.